You are going to love 2012 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, adjustable headrests, power steering, auto express down window, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest, side airbag system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.